Graduation fever is on. Gani halos matag adlaw ang mga post sa social media nga atong makita karong mga panahon na kay toga o graduation celebration. Ug dungan sa graduation fever o sa State University sa General Santos City ang hashtag celebrating. Tungod after 15 years, ang BS Math program sa maong tulunghaan finally dunay nahimong Summa Cum Laude. Wow! Ato ilailaon, din sa At Home with GMA Regional TV, si Berry Lauron. Berry, una sa tanan, congratulations! After 15 years, ikaw ang nakakuha sa Summa Cum Laude honor under sa imuhang kurso nga BS Math. How does it feel?
Good morning po, and thank you for inviting me here at home with the GMA Regional TV.
Alright, Berry, nganong BS Math imuhang napili nga kurso?
I talked about this in my speech during our pre-commencement exercises noong July 7. It wasn't an easy choice, kumbaga, kasi I was enrolled under the ABM strand when I was in senior high school, and a lot of people were expecting that I would proceed to the BS Accountancy program once I graduated. So actually including myself. Pero at that time, I was introduced to the DOST undergraduate scholarship. Professor Norman Isla was the one to advertise yung scholarship sa amin when I was in grade 12. And after learning about the program and also learning na kasali ang BS Mathematics sa priority programs, I was kinda parang convinced na parang hindi talaga for me ang BS Accountancy program. So I was able to reevaluate my choices. I was able to narrow it down sa BS Mathematics, BS Applied Mathematics, and BS Chemistry kung saan ako dun mag-proceed. And since ang BS Applied Mathematics is not offered here in MSU Jansan, so, and also BS Chemistry din. So I was thinking na mag-proceed na lang to BS Mathematics.
Karon Berry nga anaa ka dinhi sa At Home with GMA Regional TV, dapat gid nimo tubagon kini nga mga pangutana. Unsay sekreto aron mahimong Summa Cum Laude?
Secret, I don't think na sa akin, I don't think na merong secret. Pero one really good advice na really helped me to siguro to parang secure the title or something like that. It was given to me by two of my seniors, Kuya Bertrand Dose and Kuya Adric Talunding. They told me when I was in first year, they told me na as much as possible, grab as many flat ones or 1.25 na grades during first year and second year in college, because pagdating ng third year, fourth year, or sa mga other courses merong mga fifth year, mahirap na talaga makakuha ng ganun na klase ng mga grades given yung mga specialized na subjects and also yung thesis and research ng mga subjects. Mahirap na talaga makakuha ng mga flat ones pagdating ng third year and fourth year. So as much as possible, habang medyo madali-dali pa yung mga subjects and in first year and second year, kuha na talaga ng mga flat ones and 1.25.
And dahibala no sabda mo nga thesis awardee sab di ay ka, Berry, plus active student sab ka. How do you handle your life as a student back then and your life outside school?
One of the stress relievers, kumbaga, talaga sa akin, back in face-to-face, and ngayon na parang pabalik na tayo sa face-to-face na setting ng klase, ang isa talaga sa mga stress relievers ko is playing volleyball with my friends and also with my team back in competitive sa intramurals. I was the team captain of my collegiate varsity team. Ano naman siya sa varsity pala? Collegiate team lang pala. I was the team captain back in academic year 2019-2020. Volleyball was really one of the things na parang somehow balance the study life and also the social life. Through volleyball din I found some of the best people in my life. Yun po.
Despite all the challenges, kay mong naagian, Berry, nagmalampuson ka sa kolehiyo. Kung doon na kay tip sa mga college students o mensahe karon, unsa kini?
Yung nabanggit ko po kanina, it would be really helpful sa mga aspiring na makakuha ng Latin honors. Yun nga, as much as possible, grab as many flat ones or 1.25 during your first year and second year kasi somehow relatively easier pa kasi siya eh. Kasi yung mga subjects pagdating ng third year, fourth year, and fifth year, specialized na siya and also been given the research subjects. Pero aside from parang aiming na talaga na kailangan Latin honors, ganyan-ganyan, find your purpose and find your inspiration.
Berry, ngadto sa mga estudyante nga mahadlok og subject nga math. Unsay mensahe nimo sa ilaha?
Sa mga natatakot sa math, tama yan. Biro lang. I can understand where this parang fear or parang intimidation factor comes from. For me, it really stems from not having a strong understanding or base knowledge of mathematics because mathematics as a subject is considered foundational po kasi.
Daghang salamat, Berry. Padayon ug more power.
Thank you po ulit for inviting me here at home with GMA Regional TV. Thank you, Ma'am Jandy, for this very wonderful experience po. I am very humbled and I am very thankful na you invited me here in your program.